name is Roianne.Buystedt, and I'm here at Guarantee RV in Junction City to show you this 2020 Thor 4 Winds. It's the model number 27R. It's 27 feet long. It's got the traditional basement storage right here. It's got one slide, and I'll show you the inside. This has a TV up here. It's got an arm, a swivel arm. This is your bed up here. Nice cab. Nice size booth that makes into a bed, and this is a jackknife sofa for extra sleeping. The 3-burner stove with an oven and an appliance garage to put your coffee maker or anything that you would like in there. It's got a wine rack as well. Good storage in this kitchen. You also get this little piece right here for extra counter space. This unit has a king size bed, even though it's pretty short. There is a TV on the inside of the on the other side of the wall right here in the bedroom. You have a nice size bathroom with a good size shower. Good storage in the bathroom as well. This has a nice pantry right here that's got pull-out storage in it on this wall right here, and then you also get extra closet space in here. If you have any questions about this unit or anything else, please give me a call here at Guarantee RV. My phone number is 541-636-7862. Thank you.